Hi, I'm Farah. I'm from KPJ. Okay, I've attended this training called Strategic Learning and Development Practitioner Workshop. So the 2 days workshop are very fun and interactive. Lots of discussion and brainstorming. So the methodology of training itself, it encourages us to think and to brainstorm. So I've been doing and working in L&D for about 14 years. I found that this training is useful because HR in L&D is no more on training administration. Now it is considered as like training specialist because we need to strategize our L&D activities in our organization and align the competency-based training towards business performance. That is the most important. And another useful that I found during this training is that the role of HR personnel in L&D is very huge. We need to play the role as advisory, supervisory, consultant, and facilitator. I would highly recommend this training to all HR personnel, especially in L&D team, to at least compulsory for them to attend this training. Okay.